If you enjoy the Olympus and want to learn some related vocabulary, this is your opportunity. We couldn't miss talking about this grand event that unites nations to showcase their skills in various competitions. So let's go. This year, the Olympics started on July 26, 2024, and will go until August 11, 2024. They are happening right now in Paris. Today, while recording this video, we are on the fourth day of the event, and we have already experienced many emotions with some Brazilians highlights achieving unprecedented scores in the history of the Olympics. We have two Brazilians in different sports making history. One is a promising gymnast, Rebecca Andrade, who is clearly demonstrating herself as the successor of the incredible Diane dos Santos, who gained prominence with the dos Santos move. A double layout with a foot twist. Of course, we can't forget Simone Biles, the multi-medalist gymnast. But in this video, I want to show her reaction to Rebecca Andrade's vote, which received the highest score in the competition's history, and now must birth to go with a score of 50.100. On the men's side, Gabriel Medina is already known for being considered the son of Poseidon and the brother of Aquaman. He suffered an almost perfect wave of 9.90 points on the third day of the surfing competition in T80, achieving the highest score wave in Olympic history. What we've seen so far in the Olympic is surreal, but I'm not a sport commentator. So let's get to what matters, a bit of the vocabulary present in this universe. Grab a pen and write it down. Don't think that just reading will make you remember, because you won't. Write so you can read it again. Stick and post it around the house and your room. Believe it's work. So let's go to the words. The first word, endurance. Okay, endurance. The ability to withstand exertion, stress, or difficulty for a long time. Example with Rebecca Andrade and gymnast. Rebecca Andrade's endurance was evident as she maintained her form throughout the grueling gymnastic competition. The endurance required and gymnast is immersive, and Rebecca Andrade showcases is flawlessly in her road times. Second word, agility. Agility is the ability to move quickly and easily. Example with Gabriel Medina and surfing. Gabriel Medina's agility on the surfboard allows him to navigate the waves with incredible precision. And surfing agility is key, and Gabriel Medina's performance in the Olympics exemplifies this perfectly. Third word, momentum. The force or the speed of movement that continues increase. Example with swimming and Gustavo Poyes. Gustavo Poyes built up tremendous momentum during the final lap, propelling him to victory. In swimming, maintaining momentum is crucial, and Gustavo Poyes demonstrated this in his Olympic performances. Fourth word, fumble. To drop or handle the balls bluntly, especially due to lack of concentration. Example with names Gustavo Kirten. Gustavo Kirten rarely fumbles, showing his exceptional focus to focus and skill and things. A fumble can be costly and things, but Gustavo Kirten's concentrations minimizes those mistakes. Final word, really. A series of showers or action in a game where the ball is hit and played. Example with volleyball and the Brazilian national team. The Brazilian volleyball team executed impressively, really showcasing their teamwork and endurance. In volleyball, a successful rally can shift the game's momentum, as seen with the Brazilian national team. Okay, guys, thanks for sticking around, folks. See you in the next video.